This video covers common names for traditional hat styles.
Hi friends, hat lovers and aspiring milliners. Do you ever wonder what's the difference between a trilby and a fedora? Are you confused about what makes a hat a homburg versus a pork pie? Hopefully this video will help. You'll learn the names of several different classic hat styles and hopefully expand your vocabulary in millinery terms.
This is a tricorn, also called a three-cornered hat. This is a bicorne. It looks kind of like a taco. A top hat has a curved brim, a cylindrical crown, and a flat tip. The John Bull variation has a low crown and is named after a British cartoon character who wore this style. The homburg has a curled brim and a central crease in the crown that looks like a gutter. The bowler has a stiff, round crown, and Americans sometimes call it a derby. The fedora has a pinch at the front of the crown, and you should be able to lay 3 fingers together across the width of the brim. Like the fedora, the trilby has a pinched crown, but the brim is narrower. The pork pie also has a narrow brim and a crease around the perimeter of the crown, much like an actual pork pie. Let's use these words to describe similar hat designs, like this cartoonish, asymmetrical, stylized top hat, or this cocktail hat with a pork pie crown, or this 1940s hat with a homburg crown and a trilby brim. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notification of new content. Please join me every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for a live studio stream.